sa mavatile batale romen aromale katar tumenale et sera sam batale dromen sa.
I am the historian that discovered the Lety documents and made the research on how the camp was founded and built by the noble Schwarzenberg family back in 1939-1940. Today we are on the site of the old Roma concentration camp. It is today a pig farm. Behind me is the Schwarzenberg pond, where many of the Roma children are drowned by the Czech guards. Their bones are still in this pond.
That this car is parked just here to block a road to the pig farm, so we have to walk and we cannot go there by our car.
It's sad to be here and to see, because they doesn't make the memories of the victims of the Holocaust to be open and to be seen.
That I feel that something terrible happened here, and I think that, and I found that you know, that still something is turmoiling me from inside.
Actually, this is a territory of genocide, and the victims, as far as I am concerned, are entitled to have a dignified memorial site, but so far this is not the case.
It is also the starting point of a greater movement, starting point of a greater European grassroots movement to commemorate Roma Genocide, and especially to have an action here.
Thank you for being here. It is very important for us that you are here at this place of shame for the Czech state, a place of shame for all of Europe.
It is being defended, and the word is defended, by the government, the Czech government, and supported financially by the European Union. This is something that cannot continue any longer.
European Union is funding this place. It's totally absurd, it's completely violent, it's totally contradictory to the values of the European Union.
From Bulgaria, I call Renata and Sibila. From Czech Republic, I call Joseph and Miroslav. From Germany, Catherine Kaus. From Hungary, Geno and Erno.